Poor guy. I can't believe he's doing this. Such a bad idea. He said if it feels like he's gonna lose, he's gonna push in the clock. Hopefully that will save him from ultimate destruction.
Okay? Yep. Brandon!
You got this on video, right?
Yep.
Oh! Oh! And the car died.
Now he's gonna do the racer draw. He's gonna drag
he's just gonna tow it right now.
And it's gonna smash into his car.
Right?
It's gonna smash into his car.
Well, no, it's probably in place.
Put it in reverse.
Oh!
Dies.
I told you the automatic would always.
Automatic would help.
Right.
Get away. Get away. Start.
Uh-oh. No! Oh.
They're both screwed now.
Disconnect.